everyone. The sum of two positive numbers is 151. The lesser number is 19 more than the square root of the greater number. So if we can kind of get started here, we have two positive numbers, so let's call them x and y, and we're doing the sum, and that equals 151. The lesser number, so let's let x equal the lesser number, and we'll let y equal the greater number. So it says the lesser number, so x is, that means equals, 19 more, and I always put that at the end, 19 more than the square root of the greater number. What is the value of the greater number? Y minus the lesser number. So that's what we're trying to find, whatever goes in that box there. So let's get started. We have x plus y equals 151. And we also have x equals 19 more than the greater number, whereby x is smaller than y. So what I do, there's different ways to do it, but what I'm going to do is go ahead and subtract from this equation 19 from both sides of the equation. So you get x minus 19 equals the square root of y, and we'll square both sides to solve for y. So you get y equals x minus 19 squared. And I'm going to substitute it back into this equation. So I have x plus y. Now my y equals this. So by substitution, write x plus 19 squared. So that's my y. And we know this all equals 151. Now I'm going to take care of this. This is supposed to be a minus. Sorry about that. So I'm going to take care of this part, knowing that this follows the form a minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So taking care of that, we have x plus x squared minus 2 times 19 is 38 times your x, and then 19 squared is 361. So that's plus 361 equals 151. Since this is a quadratic, I'm going to move everything on the left-hand side and factor. So I'm going to combine those. So this is x squared minus 37x, because negative 38x plus 1x is negative 37x. And I'm going to also subtract 151 from both sides of the equation. So that's going to be plus 210 equals 0. Now the next step is to factor this. So we have xx. Since this is positive and that's negative, they're both negative. And what I did is in my calculator, I went to y1 and I inputted 210 divided by x. And I found out two numbers that you multiply that give you negative 37 when you add them up. It's going to be 7 and 30. So when you multiply negative 7 times negative 30, you get 210. But when you combine them, you get negative 37. So solving for this, you get x equals 7 and x equals 30. So I'm going to take the 30. And if I take the 30 as my x, you get 30 plus y equals 151. That would mean 30 plus 121 equals 151. I did that mentally. So that would be your x plus your y. Then if I subtract, because we really want y minus x, so I get 121 minus 30 gives me 91. And that is your answer here, D. You could have tried your 7, but the answer choices wouldn't have been there. So that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.